In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Settings. Then select Payments. On the Payments page, you will see the available payment options for your store. To add a payment provider, click Set Up next to Shopify Payments if it is available in your region. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your business details, banking information, and any required verification details. If Shopify Payments is not available, you can choose a third-party payment provider by clicking Add Payment Method and selecting a provider from the list. You can also enable alternative payment methods such as PayPal, manual payment methods, or other supported gateways. Simply choose the payment method you want to use, enter the required information, and follow the setup process. After completing the setup, review your payment settings to make sure everything is correct. Then click Save to activate the payment method. Your Shopify store will now be ready to accept payments from customers. That's how you can add a payment method on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.